All right, so we have some great news for you. This time is from the men's long jumper, star boy Tajay Gayle. He got the victory in the Diamond League final with a season's best leap of 8.28 meter. And that's his first win for the season. Give it up for Tajay Gayle, another Jamaican taking the winnings. Now we'll see them at the World Championships next year. We have to mention our honorary Jamaican, Jamaica. She was here for a few years, as she mentioned, and we're talking about the winner from St. Lucia, Julien Alfred. She won the 100-meter women event there in 10.88, followed by Asha Smith in 10.92, and then Talu got third place in 11.05. Watch the Jamaicans them oppose with our. So that's it for now. We have Akeem Blake taking the 100-meter for men and Tajay Gill taking the long jump. We'll keep you updated as usual. Do remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, and we'll talk pretty soon.